Introducing Eco Wash Laundry Detergent Strips, the most innovative Norwex laundry solution yet. A powerful plant-based detergent in ultra-concentrated lightweight strips. Convenient, easy, and packaged in an earth-friendly cardboard sleeve. No heavy, wasteful single-use plastic jugs that can contain up to 90% water, which are expensive to transport and bulky to store. Eco Wash strips are dry to the touch, contain no harmful ingredients, and are completely biodegradable. Each strip is pre-measured for a normal wash load, dissolving almost instantly to eliminate tough stains, dirts, and odors. For lighter loads, half a strip is all you need. A gentle, safe clean with a fresh blossom scent. Thanks to natural essential oils. Norwex Eco Wash Laundry Detergent Strips. Just tear it, toss it, wash it.